In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can block an account on Facebook. So if you have a contact that you want to block on Facebook, it is pretty much simple. The first thing you need to do is to find the list or the person that you want to block. For instance, if the person is your friend, just head over to this friend and then your friend. And for my case, I want to block this person, the first person here. In case the person is not on your list, just go ahead and search them here, and then you should be able to find them. So once you find the person, go ahead and tap on the name. And now this will open the person's details. To block this person, go ahead and tap on these ellipses. And then under this, we have this option called block. Now to block this person, tap on block. And if the contact was your friend, you have to note that once you block them, they'll not be able to see your person profile. They'll not also be able to see your tags. You have also to note that once you block this person, you will have unfriended them. So if you're sure, go ahead and tap on block. And now the blocking process is on and it is done. Now you blocked this contact. So go ahead and tap on close, and that is it. So that's how you block a contact on Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.